Oh, yeah, baby,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be working with DSoar hair, and I'm going to be using this box dye to achieve the color that I'm going to get. Now this was me initially unboxing the hair. I'm taking it out and looking at it for the first time, and I'll say I was definitely very satisfied with the hair. It was soft as I expected. I could run my fingers straight through it as expected. With any straight hair, if you can't run your fingers through it, then it's definitely a freaking dub. I like the frontal. I didn't feel like I had to pluck it too much or anything like that, so that was good. I will say though, if you look, you could see like those beards a little bit, and I wasn't crazy about those. And as far as the knots, they didn't stress me out because they weren't like big and bulky. I bleached the knots and I accidentally got it onto the actual like hair of the frontal, but it all worked out and it didn't look as crazy as I thought. And as you can see, like the bundle's thickness was pretty decent, especially compared to my last straight bundles. It was a lot thicker than those. So yeah, to make the unit, I definitely say get 3 bundles in a frontal just to play it safe. You could get away with 2.5, but if you want to, you know, have a more full install, you can use 3. I only used 2 bundles and I made it work. So yeah, it definitely had like a natural kind of density to it. So here, I'm just bleaching the hair here. I'm using 40 volume developer to achieve a high like lift, I guess we could call it. And yeah, y'all, I've been trying to with my new angles. If y'all are here for it, let me know, because man, I just been like, I really been trying to just like upgrade, you know what I'm saying? Go Beyonce on y'all with it. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing here. And I definitely want to let you guys know that don't forget about that hair in the middle, because I did, and I just hate when that happens. I hate it. So don't forget about the hair in the middle. Yeah, y'all. Yes, y'all. Y'all. I'm gonna let you guys watch this for a little bit and just let the film roll, and I'll come back and talk in just a second. So I let the bleach process until it dried onto the hair, and if you've ever bleached hair, then you know what I'm talking about. It ended up lifting to this brassy orange kind of color, and I was aiming for, I thought it was gonna look similar to the middle color on the box, and it didn't turn out that way because my hair was brassier than they said. So it actually ended up looking like this. And well, this is after I rinsed the bleach out and before I put the color on. But yeah, you guys, yeah, so this is just me applying the color on. And if you guys know, ash usually has like a green, ash like box dyes usually have a green base. So all this is doing, it's not taking out the orange, it's taking out more of like reddish tones in the hair. If I wanted to take out the orange tones of the hair, I'd be better off with a blue based toner. I don't know if they create blue based dyes, but if there is one, then I would use that instead. So that's why it didn't neutralize everything. Just for the people in the back that don't know how that whole thing works. So yeah, it was pretty easy. I love this part. So easy to saturate it and run it through and get every hair and stuff. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward, not too difficult. So yeah, I had enough for the 2 bundles in the frontal. I would say get 2 boxes just in case to play it safe, but you can get away with just 1 if you're using 2 bundles in the frontal. But yeah, you guys, I didn't have any problems with this hair, no problems with tangling, shedding, or anything like that. I don't have anything bad to say about the hair. I definitely recommend them. I was happy with the bundles and the wefts and all that stuff. I didn't see any red flags or anything of that nature. I did notice though the beard things, like I said, on the frontal, and I don't think I had noticed anything else like out of the ordinary. So yeah, I'll leave all the links down below for you guys, and you guys could check it out and stuff. And you know, if you've used this hair or checked it out before and had experience with them, leave it down below, let us know. And yeah, this is how it came out. A really warm, like pretty chestnut brown. I didn't think I was gonna like it at first, and then I put it on and I was like, wow, I actually really freaking like it. But yeah, anyway, I love you, and I will see you in my next one.